Baseball is back in Brooklyn, and we're going to ride to work with one of the superstars of the Brooklyn Cyclones. We're riding the F train today with the Brooklyn Cyclones mascot, Sandy the Seagull. That would be him. Are you any relation to Murray and Gladys Seagull? They live in the Bronx. You know them? Oh, is that right? They're a very nice couple.
I'm an actress and a dancer and I sing.
Well, you know, Sandy does a little acting and he does a
and
little
I know
dancing.
he does a little dancing.
Yeah, do a little
But
dance.
I think I could outdance Sandy.
Yeah. Hey, Baba Reba. All right. All right.
You gotta do a little.
Oh, man. Oh. Well, that works for me. Oh, what's that noise? What's that noise? Oh, it's my wedding ring. All right, have a seat, baby. There you go. All right, so long now. All right, bye-bye now. Hey, you got chicken wings, you got chicken fingers, you got any poultry items, you got hard-boiled eggs. Hey, what's your name?
Anthony.
Anthony, this is Sandy the Seagull. Anthony, you want to give me a hug?
No.
Sandy, we're at Brooklyn Cyclone Stadium. Let's play ball. All right. Oh.